precious people, what is up? Hope you all are doing pretty well. This is your girl Vin and welcome to my YouTube channel, The Sassy Leo. Guys, from the title itself, आपको समझ आ ही गया होगा that today's video is going to be get to know me tag video. Now I know these kind of videos are not that much in today's trend, but I thought why not, let's just do it. And I will be going to share some of the facts or things about me with my virtual fam. So yes, that's the plan for today. So this is going to be a sit down chill video. Just grab your snacks and yes, let's move ahead with the video. But before moving ahead, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I am the Sassy Leo Vin, and I would also love it if you subscribe to my channel by clicking the underneath red subscribe button integrate and hitting the bell icon besides it. And now without any further delay, let's just get up and get going. So guys, here I have my tab with me wherein I have jotted down 20 questions and I will be going to answer them one by one in this video. So the very first question is, what is your name? So my name is Vinanti Bhautkar. And who is your best friend? I am my best friend, literally, because I don't judge me, I don't bitch behind my back. So yeah, I am my only whole soul best friend. What are your educational qualifications? So I am MSc postgraduate. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one younger sister. Next comes, what is your favorite way to relax? So my favorite thing is doing meditation. I don't do meditation on a daily basis. I know I should be doing that, but I will be trying to manage doing meditation each and every day. It relaxes and calms down all of the chaos that goes on continuously here, and it is such an amazing way to just relax. And by meditation I do breath work. So yeah, that's my way to relax, and it feels so calming, relaxing. It just, everything slows down and you're just in the moment, which I really love. So yes, that's my favorite way to relax. And after doing the meditation, you feel so good. I just can't explain that feeling. So yeah, meditating is my way to relax. So next thing comes, what's the last thing you do before your sleep? So last thing that I do before I sleep, I think मैंने ये vlog में भी share किया है that I have built the habit to just take my water bottle and keep it beside my bed, so that if I get thirsty midnight, so I don't have to just go all the way to the kitchen and then drink water. I can just grab my water bottle and drink water from that. So yeah, next is, where do you shop the most at? I think it is about online shopping. Firstly, I am no longer a fan of offline shopping. Mostly I shop online, and by the site or app, I don't have any kind of favorite app. I just look for the best deal that I get. So मैं मीशो पे चेक करती हूँ, मिंत्रा पे चेक करती हूँ. फॉर मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स मैं नायका एंड पर्पल पे चेक करती हूँ, मैं आजियो पे चेक करती हूँ, and also I check on Flipkart as well as Amazon. I'm not a fan of Amazon, to be very honest. I like shopping at Myntra more. But yeah, and also I shop at quick delivery apps the most, like Blinkit, Instamart, and Zepto is just near my place only. So yeah, next is, which quote inspires you? Now there is not one quote, but I think it's a mixture of two quotes which I firmly believe in. That is, no one believed in her, but she believed in herself, so she did it. So yeah, that is my quote for me. The next question is, how many pairs of footwear do you own? Okay, so I have one pair of shoes, 1, 2, 3 pair of heels, 2 pairs of flats, and 1 slipper. So yeah, I own 7 pair of footwears. Next comes, how does your perfect day looks like? So my perfect day looks like that I get up early, I do my pranayam, do my breakfast early, and I study well, get ready early and film my content well, make my dinner early and have dinner early and sleep early. So yeah, that's how my perfect day looks like. Also, on some days when I feel very exhausted, I think that day I would like to just relax and just flicks and chill kind of a day also sometimes looks as a perfect day. So yeah, next comes, what do you notice when you meet a known or unknown male or female person? मतलब basically if I'm interacting with someone, what do I notice? वैसे तो I notice a lot of things behavior wise, but even before looking at a person, at the first glance I notice what fragrance that person is wearing or how that person is smelling. Now each and every person has pheromones, and if the person sitting next to me or standing behind me or being in the same environment as I am, and if that person is smelling bad, then it is such a turn off for me that no, I just can't stand that. Without being rude, I just do hi, hello, and I just leave. For me, if the person in the surrounding smells good, or that person should not smell, like there should be no foul smell. So yeah. Next, are you an empathetic person? So yes, I am an empathetic person, or should I say that I am overly empathetic or hyper empathetic kind of a person? Are you shy or outgoing? So I am not shy, I am not outgoing. I speak whatever I feel that I need to communicate to someone, I say that. So yeah, but I can be outgoing sometimes when I feel the people, the aura is nice. So yeah, I consider myself as an ambivert. What is the greatest accomplishment of your life till now? Without thinking much, that was clearly when I got my gold medal. I have shared that vlog with all of you guys. It is still on my channel, so if you happen to miss it, then please go and check it out. One day I was just sitting and thinking कि यार कोई गोल्ड मेडल कभी मिला नहीं है, लाइक मेरिट भी आ गई बट गोल्ड मेडल कभी नहीं मिला. एंड व्हेन आई वाज थिंकिंग दैट, आई थिंक आई हैव जस्ट कंप्लीटेड माय ग्रेजुएशन. सो मेरा ग्रेजुएशन का रिजल्ट आ चुका था, एंड या दैट वाज द थिंग कि ऐसे रैंडम थॉट्स आते रहते हैं ना. सो ये थॉट आ गया था मेरे माइंड में कि यार गोल्ड मेडल तो हमें कभी नहीं मिला है ना. सो cut to today, I have a gold medal, and that too I received in my academics, and I got that gold medal in my post graduation. It still is a big deal for me to have a gold medal from my MSc. That's a big thing for me. Now here comes question number 15. ओहो, इतने जल्दी हमने 14 questions का आंसर दे दिया है. Question number 15 says, tell me your life in one sentence. One sentence तो फिर भी काफी बड़ा हो चुका है. I can describe my life in 2 words. That is elder daughter. नाउ आई नो आजकल सोशल मीडिया पे एल्डर डॉटर सिंड्रोम बहुत ज़्यादा ही दिख रहा है, बट लेट मी टेल यू गाइस, इट इज़ नॉट जस्ट ट्रेंड, इट इज़ अ रियल थिंग. जो भी एल्डर डॉटर होंगे हु आर वॉचिंग मी, दे वुड नो, दे हैव एक्सपीरियंस्ड इट, एंड दे would know कि ये एक real thing है. It is a real deal. Whatever the hardships, whatever the conflicts, whatever an elder daughter goes through, those are real. जो भी elder daughter इस वीडियो को देख रही है, please drop a comment. I will give you all a virtual high five, okay? Next comes, what are your hobbies? My hobbies, okay, can be funny, but one एडिशनल फैक्ट अबाउट मी, मैं इस जनरेशन में आई थिंक द ओनली वन बची होंगी जिसने कोई भी वेब सीरीज़ नहीं देखी अभी तक. कोई भी वेब सीरीज़ को कंप्लीट करना तो दूर ही रहा, मैंने किसी वेब सीरीज़ को स्टार्ट भी नहीं किया है. आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट फील लाइक वॉचिंग वेब सीरीज़. स्ट्रेंज थिंग अबाउट मी. Now coming back to my hobbies, so I like to watch TV serials. I don't know what's that weird thing about me. बट आई फील कि टीवी सीरियल्स में दे नेवर गो ओवर द टॉप. वॉयलेंस है वो भी लिमिट में दिखाएगा, रोमांस भी लिमिट में होगा. एंड नाउ बाय दैट आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि वेब सीरीज आर बैड और समथिंग. इट इज़ जस्ट माई चॉइस, my personal view which I am telling you. So yeah, I watch TV serials, specifically Marathi serials, because उनके stories काफ़ी ज़्यादा interesting होते हैं. So yeah, that's a strange thing about me, but it is what it is. Next thing comes, do you believe in destiny? So yes, of course I do. I do believe in destiny. I do believe in manifestation. Next thing comes, what are your values in friends? So I have very strong boundaries. The one that I call my friend should not be bitching about me behind my back. Forget about bitching. They should not be discussing me behind my back. Like बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए it might be a very normal सी चीज़ कि people talk behind their back, and इट इज़ यूनिवर्सल रूल कि तुम जहाँ नहीं हो वहाँ तुम्हारी बातें होती ही है. एंड कुछ चीज़ों के लिए इट इज़ ओके कि जहाँ हम नहीं हैं वहाँ भी हमारे चर्चे हैं. बट ऑन सीरियस टॉपिक्स, एज एवरी वन नोज कि फ्रेंडशिप में देर इज सम काइंड ऑफ अ ट्रांसपेरेंसी. वी शेयर ईच एंड एवरी पर्सनल स्टफ विद आवर फ्रेंड्स, एंड इफ फ्रेंड्स ही वो हमारे पीठ पीछे डिस्कस करने लग गए, सो आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज़ अ हेल्दी फ्रेंडशिप. So yeah, that is my first value. The next value is जो बोल रहे हो, the person should be doing that. The next thing is don't judge me. I know everyone judges everyone, but एक point पे judge करना is fine. But अगर एक friend दूसरे friend के लिए opinion बना ले, then I think that is not my thing. So these were the 3 values that I see in people I call my friends. इसीलिए this was the only reason in the starting itself I said that I am my best friend, because I don't judge me, I don't form opinions about me. So yeah, that's that. Next is, what is your go-to hairstyle? So this what I am wearing right now is my go-to hairstyle. I carry this hairstyle everywhere, literally everywhere, and this is the hairstyle that goes with traditional as well as western fits. So yeah, this is, by the way, not a ponytail, but it is a crisscross claw clip ponytail. So yeah. Next, here we come to the last question. How long was your longest relationship? I mean forever. I have a forever relationship with myself. I celebrate myself, celebrate my wins. I remind myself what princess wants, princess gets. So yeah, that's the best thing about me, that I prioritize myself. I put efforts for my self growth. I communicate, that is, I jot down, I write down the points I feel bad about, good about, what I want, what I wanted in my past, but today I have that thing, so I have gratitude for me. So yeah, sometimes I jot down and sometimes I just randomly talk to myself, talk to the universe, and everything is just sorted. So yeah, that's that. Everyone should be in a relationship with themselves. So yeah, that's it. This was all about this get to know me tag. I enjoyed filming this video to the max, so I think we will do this more often, alright? And yeah, this is it for today's video. If you like such kind of videos, then please give it a big fat thumbs up, share as much as possible, subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my socials, link in the description bar below. Also write down in the comment section what do you want to see next. Remember, your wish is my command. Till then, this is me Vin signing off. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye.